Welcome to Property Wise, your real estate business managed the wise way. Ready to end your rental headache? Check our simple guide to becoming a partner with Property Wise. Meet Michelle. Emigrated from China to the United States at the age of 21 to make her own way in the world. And that she did. Michelle currently owns both single-family and multifamily residential real estate and manages full-scale renovations throughout the greater Baltimore area. Today, she is a certified professional housing provider recognized by the National Real Estate Property Association and serves a moderator for landlords of Baltimore area. Now, meet Shanika. Shanika is an executive property manager as well as a founder and principal architect of Property Wise. She is a certified property manager by the Institute of Real Estate Management, with over a decade of hands-on experience in the profession and a master's degree in business administration from the University of Maryland. Shanika is now a licensed realtor positioned to help you achieve maximum success in regards to all facets of real estate. She started her own business after she left the company. We felt her absence, so we decided to take a bigger chance on her. We offered her a partnership. Today we've grown like gangbusters, and we're managing single-family and multi-family residential apartment complexes, HOAS, and commercial real estate. But we've never lost touch with our roots and the quality of service and personal touches that got us here. We have a strong team of committed people, including new rising stars, who care about making a difference in the lives of our clients and our residents. How to use Rental Owner Portal. Hello there, property owners. If you have questions about how to operate your Rental Owner Portal, this explanation is meant to give you a one-on-one on some of the most asked questions. Dashboard. We will be doing over the financials, the documents, the reports, and how to submit a request. To start with, we need login with your username and password. Expenditures and income. You will see a dashboard titled Finances. This page covers all of your property and expenditures as well as income, which can be viewed when you click on the plus sign next to the property name. You can feel free to click on any highlighted number to pull on the information about any of that investment. You can actually download the actual invoices by clicking the paper-clip button. Send funds and requests. How to fund your account. There will be a Send Funds button under the financial page. Rental Owner Tools. If you want to see all the documents, such as lease agreement, public assets, or property inspection, click on the tab says Rental Owner, and everything will be instantly accessible for review as preview, download and printing. Reports. Now for reports, the tab is on the top right corner. It contains all reports on basically everything on balance sheet, property statements, under finance unit listings, under rentals, and so much more. And yes, it also downloads details on clicking. The most popular reports are as follow: rental owner statements, delinquent tenants, work order, rent rolls, rent paid. Feel free to save them as favorite by clicking the star next to each report. Communications. We maintain open and transparent communication with tenants, handling inquiries, maintenance requests, and updates promptly to ensure a positive rental experience for both tenants and owners. How to submit a request. How to submit a request. Same procedure as before. Click on the rental owner and from the drop-down list box, select requests. It will take you to the page that has a sheet marked with places for a subject. Along with options of selecting which property, simply fills this out and you are good to go. With PropertyWise, every dollar you spend works toward protecting and growing your investment. Our management fees are structured to be fair, competitive, and completely transparent. We don't believe in surprise add-ons or hidden costs. What you see is exactly what you pay. Our standard management plan includes rent collection, property inspections, tenant communication, and financial reporting, all under one simple monthly fee. For leasing, you only pay when we deliver, once a qualified tenant is placed and the lease is signed. Maintenance is handled through trusted, pre-approved vendors, ensuring quality service at the best possible rates. We also offer customized packages for owners with multiple properties or unique management needs. Whether you own a single-family home or a multi-unit portfolio, our fee schedule adapts to fit your goals. Our simple fee guarantee locks in your rate for the first year. No sudden changes, no surprises. How do we handle maintenance requests? In the first half of this demo, we will review lateral process to show you how we take an incoming request, troubleshoot, dispatch a contractor, and follow up to resolve. Emergency check flow. Lateral has a 3-step process when taking a maintenance request. First step is to screen the request to understand if it is a potential emergency. Our reception team uses this screen to determine the severances of the request. When our maintenance team answers the call, it says, "Welcome to the maintenance line. Can I get your name and callback number?" We preload your resident information in the lateral when you sign up, so it is easy for us to match the resident to the correct property. The flow you see here is completely customizable. We prompt the resident with a few questions to better understand their problem. We also like troubleshooting with their resident to see if there's an easy fix to their problem upon answer of the resident. Their request is marked as an urgency or normal request. Once the request has submitted, our reception team tells the resident to expect a call from one of our troubleshooting experts within 20 minutes. This way, the resident doesn't have to wait hold. The receiver calls back as soon as one of our troubleshooter is available. Emergency request, logged by the system. Before moving forward, let's take a look at what would have happened if a non-emergency request was logged by lateral. Your team receives a real-time email notification with all details regarding the maintenance request. If you use Rent Manager or AppFolio, all maintenance requests can be automatically created in your software system so that no data entry is required. Let's move on to step 2 in our emergency process. Take action on request emerging. Remember the emergency leak that we submitted earlier? Anything that is flagged as an emergency goes to our Tier 2 team of troubleshooters. Everyone on this team has at least 2 years of property management or maintenance experience. Our Tier 2 team calls your resident back to troubleshoot their issue. All calls are recorded and logged right on the work order details page. Our team then dispositions the request after attempting to troubleshoot. We're able to either fix or de-escalate issues up to 50% of the time. This saves you and your clients time and money. Depending on the issue, we may be able to defer the dispatch the next morning. In this case, we'll say that the issue needs immediate dispatching. Dispatch service provider for emergency request. Now we're on to our final step. Step 3 in the process. Our Tier 2 troubleshooter will now dispatch a service provider for this emergency leak. When you sign up with Lateral, we take a list of your preferred service providers by issue type. Our team calls down your list, calling each provider 3 times and leaving a voicemail. Our goal is to get a verbal confirmation from one of your providers that they can take care of the issue. Just like the original call to troubleshoot, all calls to your service providers are recorded and logged into the job. Let's pretend like we've just called this handyman and they've confirmed they can do the job. Our Tier 2 troubleshooter will set the expected arrival time. Confirmation texts have been sent to both the resident and the service provider. Confirmation of issue resolved. At the end of the time window, they'll each get another text to confirm that the issue was resolved. If either person says that there is still an issue, then our Tier 2 troubleshooting team is alerted and gets back on the job. We've